Ebusia bo bia ka wo yebra Penyah Captain Smart oya edmo onua TV wabedi nkomo a o kire mu say Ghana for no re start ho and omabemu start ebu. They have started regretting for voting for John Mahama. And then the question to Captain Smart e ka dance mema on kire mu no a kire wa adwen ama me na feko media no so nipa ni bi so abetire mu adwen e wo ho fans ma Captain Smart kan no almost an abe clash with Captain Smart. I Penyah block media. Make sure say any day mo. Go like if you do not have a subscribe button, so back click the notification connect latest updates. Na be try wa the amame. E wo comment section. Make sure so baso. No wa she run from Penyah be ahwe. E dey you say the election time now Captain Smart was here very loud. I is now promoting Mahama. And this magazine oh baby bia say obetimi ayi ku for them people for every konya ne so. Na bobia de mo bobia fan shiri team so betna. Debi. Et Captain Smart obo adwuma. Because election night no who they see or trend showing some ade ache wana and results now more quality now on my live update or boyjuma that anajo no many people guys Captain Smart NDC Mahama buy there's a guy NDC there obi a we loud bia no or NDC Mahama buy ni ewia ni eja obom ko to aba no ya say Captain Mahama buy o si bempa NDC Mahama buy Captain Smart enti why na NDC Mahama buy what about obom ko to aba no so cast hey and then who ye Captain Smart na say what na kodom NDC is na oh no oye bibia mom TMPP any atembe there otwa bram bibifo no pay di omatem anoparia even as at now crown order so edi omatem na we say yenim dey see out of nowhere Captain Smart say we be NDC communicated there bia no obo machi do me defend NDC no eno eche no saba no show so ba no say na as usual we say ekasa no and there was a twist I wo kire mu a or they need to do for more. And this better kunyas 8 months in year. 8 months in year no. Ghana for answer S form. The people of Ghana have regretted voting for Mahama. You go tennis my Orca Emra.
Obinaka say 8 months no enswa because John Mahama mayet 2012 from January to August. Say MPP na do ne ba me na de ne court bosome wotwe a ko betuma ye niama pa ba mu delay amembo nu bosome wotwe. What it means is that asamna John Mahama kan no who translate no into a na. What it means is that bosome wotwe it mean the yard the pa but bosome wotwe we apart from say dollar call from by 10 cedis they say 1044 no what next. Pato. Say abai we ntimi amfa de nan ensi fom. Se me ye. Asama na me kan me moa. Asama me be kan so ano ohye. Ba me kan. Sa abai we ntimi amfa de nan ensi fom se bram. Ampa djuma mam meburu na. I am sure by 2029 the Ghana Armed Forces will take over this country.
He is smart. He is unique.
So by 2027 May, that's a Ghana mebunu eni Juma ya Mahama won't be the president
at all.
Na me, sabe no na me pe wasama me ka asem na kire wa chichichiri. Opa na wetie. Opa na wajai. By 2027 May, Nessa Ghana mebunu emu mane mema eni adwuma ya NDC aban we entimi to aso atasa wopa fa wopa jai. I am repeating for the last time. Won't try the date into and the date is 27th August 2025. By May 2027 Nessa Ghana mebunu ni adwuma. I am telling you, I am not a prophet of doom. By May 2027, John Mahama, Jane no Pokwajimai, Julius Debras Chief of Staff, they can never. When they are so very uncomfortable, say, why have I could to Koya Oma? The reason is that the youth of this country repose their trust into this administration. And Julius, let me tell you today, John Mahama, Jenna no Pokwa, listen to me. The youth of this country, Abema started boo. Me no kura na kyerɛw ya me tewa abɔnten ɛnra me ni okada fo aba me bi etwa eja ho na edi nkɔmɔ me firi hɔ kɔɛ no me kɔ tennis court ɛkɔ gyina tennis court hɔ me sua bɔ me ti de nkrɔfo ka me bɔ mɔden me kɔ nam La Paz baby a wɔn ɛfa second hand goods no me tie kɔmɔ kakra 1 2 3 4 5 people bi a wɔn mo na ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn yɛ galamsey yɛde bi wɔ kɔmɔ me ti bibi me hyia nurse fo bi kakra ɛsɛ yɛ ma wɔn baabi kɔ yɛ adwuma a wɔawie school from 2018 na ɔda te fie me hyia driver fo kakra bi ɛwɔ baabi me hyia me kɔ finance ministry me hyia nkurɔfo baako mmienu bi forest bureau fo bi kakra me yɛ let me tell you today Ghana mbɛbunu na di aban wei ba ɛni Julius Wama starting boo. If you don't know, ask your own people to go out there. Let them go to the ground and bring you the information.
Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio.
Me mekan in tamach na wo. We ye ho adwuma wasem. Enra me de me nua ba ma na otwi moto no ye fa say Basin Darling, right?
Wani.
Oka I'm sorry, or inaugurate bibi. And oka chom say go out there as security men. Why ye? And when you hear ke, do keke. And I yes sir. And when you hear keke, do keke. And I'm the idea no. A two baby platform so. The way NDC for na kase what platform so si charm no. Obi ade papa ye MP. Catch him say, Captain Smart, it be keke where we go eat. Captain Smart, it be keke where we go eat. I'm saying, hey, I didn't see. Yeah, and it's from my winning now. Plus or minus. Any part to about me 2 million. So when 2 million people decide to give you wahala, okay, wo. Ejuma employment ehun hia Peter Tiwei ejuma kakra yo Peter Tiwei na ke 25,000
Wani
ba ne yere ne ma ne maame ne papa ne wofase ne cousin ne auntie obi asori ya Captain Smart abo odin wo nua TV ti pressure won so ko bi sa atu maame free mu na busuafo ina de o mani ko see de so eskafa wo mi na kra hwa atu because they be a Captain Smart bone. Eti atuma mi wuya na o su bebrebe ni na no na nyesa de mame ewu no na ye ne yanko awo yes na ye ne ya ba na ka cash because pressure won so
abawudi na mafrewo
God nkwakota teto ye me producer yi ne mame no a wache na hwe no
Wani
eti abrante we bank kran me de ba 2013 oba me nche 2013 October so no by July na mu na me by July na no by October Peter November God in November na usunya na say December
enu na men
ye kwa adom FM ye we kire wo tokro bi wo ha me kwa adwuma no pa ho na me ko bom pa e so ko start mo no show ti me ni solo ye kwa ko bom pa e ko ya God jo
enu na men
God there
we mu nyina ye science we mu nyina ye science and things
oh
Captain Smart.
And then me producer no aduane bi o pese otodi bia no obetumi atɔ
He is smart.
and then say me producer kakra wɔ ne ho obetu ni bi RAV4 no the RAV4 na kwesi baby say me pɛ no atɔ BMW 5 series
enu na men tia say na me do
because oye adwuma enti pressure wo efie ho nyina no ye le dina God nso
He is smart. He is unique.
John, I am telling you today
Captain
Mopa munjidi Mopa munyahe present bia ni wiase mu ha oye adwuma pa de NDC ba power eje me
He is
Me me
smart.
no bia me kan wo me.
He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Presenter bia ni ho.
At all.
Enipa bia ni krom ha Ghana ha efi Kwame Nkrumah time besi na ya chile 39 times in 2 years.
At
Just me,
all.
because of NDC.
At all.
But me NDC di.
Captain Smart.
NPP no so say no.
No.
Me ne wo ntem kwan no wakakra pa.
So be side chick.
The truth of the matter is that they me tey wo form ho a me di piama wo no. And one na me that wo form ho.
So be side chick.
Adwuma eni ho. NDC fo na nkasa ye mo party fo na wo mo no mo call nakra na as a as a John Mahama omwafu 8 months back. Obi be ka to say 8 months no eswa because John Mahama ma yet ase 2012 from January to August. Say nye MPP na do ne ba me na de ne court boso me wotwe a ko betuma ye niama pa ba mu delay amembo no boso me wotwe. What it means is that asamna John Mahama kan no wo translate no into a na. What it means is that boso me wotwe it mean the yard the papa but boso me wotwe we apart from say dollar call from by 10 cedis they say 1044 no what next. Pato, tell you. Say, I buy way to be on Friday night and see from. Say me ye. I saw me can memoir. I saw me can swan wash it.
Captain
So I buy way to be on Friday night and see from say Bram. I'm paid Juma Mebuna. I am sure by 2029 the Ghana Armed Forces will take over this
He
country.
is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
In the Fourth Republic, he'll be the last John. John, me I don't know here. Me pewasem bruta. Me feel John Mama. Me feel ewura de Yakobo. Say them feel kufuor. Say them feel you. Me feel bruta. But wafa John kufuor de oyem papa. Oye me wafa. Let me tell you this. One for will now see from say ministers no one here adwuma. Ministers say who is working. Abrochire konkua na ye omo de. Me me ka tira won tebo. When tie me a eye wasam. Me na me ko no. Peter NDC ministers say abrochire konkua na omo de. Pe me wa ha, pe me me tukwan, pe me wa. Tukwan sa.
Wait. Bibini. Ow.
As from one position I'm going to abrochire. Me ka no kura na tire wo. O pa ta me. Eye wasam.
If you
Me ma wontam and Peter aban we wo hoyi enipa mienu pe na eye adwuma wo mu John Mahama na kasa ni Julius Debra asa in a government of sister ministers 200 and over 260 MMDCs only 2 people are working. It's only John Mahama himself and Julius Debra asa working and nobody is doing anything.
He is smart. He is unique.
Come and sit here and tell me you are doing something.
Captain Smart.
8 solid man. And when the Kasemi Trade JB or Shemen Dima, then I drink and in communication. There will be a friend silent communication. Non-verbal communication. Silent for friend. Non-verbal communication. Who share the paradigm? The way of rolling the knee, not the way of the moment or two. Me catch you say. Say, in few more trick. A trouble Makufa do a quatanase. But so many more trick, Abba. Meboa. Ministries are a woman. Ministry bear no way who say. Apart from John Mahama na Ankasa. Minister where the Bibia betua bontia. Can I hear discussing? Peter Biway. Anyway, police are video be man. Anything. Let me check Ghana for the. Just look for any video. say ya me no ka say. Wowa etetiemu. Ojai. Emebu na na di eche be sabe nyame adom. Bi de general dawroma. Ojai. Ye adwuma ko so Islamika. But wowa kasa etiemu e do on by no adwuma wo hen. People, the youth, they have started agitating employment and national security matter. So, on my way, maybe you don't know. Hey, I hear funny people saying, Ghana and Kofoda lazy and Kofoda ya quadro, but and then Mammy wouldn't free bunkum and Kofoda lazy and Kofoda ya quadro, but and then bunkum image then is punch down. Penyah, Mama sounded very real to you this morning. What if the ATR Galam say it will be extremely difficult for any government to fight? Let there be a Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. The ATR by woman and Hoi want to be fighting Galam saying this, sir. A Juma, anyhow. Galamsey now over 2 million people they are involved in Galamsey direct. Over 2 million. And yet 2 million. Let's say over 2 million. Enipa over 2 million. And they are involved in Galamsey. Galamsey value is $17.5 billion. Maybe you don't know. And Peter, the whole Ghana Galamsey in Ano, chief kingpins no more 5 for pet. Nipa 5 for pet. And air control Galamsey. Oh, Kromha, you don't know. As a white coin for first and a 9. So we need catch no. Just 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last year, we catch on me and sat easily go. Bakoti Achimota. Never cook Masi. We have 5. Is the go nipa 3. Achimota 1, Kumase 1. Galamsey value no $17.5 billion. Upa GD upa jai.
When you know science and teams.
Because they say nipa over 2 million. Now every day, Obianya 100 cities. Baby, Captain
Smart, the king of morning shows.
Yeah, 100 cities. Just 100 cities times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 million. I don't know why I say $200 million. So, maybe you have no idea about Galamsey. So, and that is why Debbie may catch her head. Look, we are garnishing and massaging the issues. Sir, Obi our Galamsey site every day on 100 cities. Huh? 4 times in the part 2 million, but they are over 2 million.
So when say Captain Smart, Deborah Penyah abeka. No can say we ya. Ana TikTok mountain so anybody be na abeka say Captain. Kwanu tum kura na wunim so pana o be ya hwe ana wa sheda. Yedi o.
Abusuafo aduru mre bia wo sensem twerefo ye gya omutie. Aduru mre bia wo say yetena sese Ghana fo ne adwene ye man no ho. Politics se wo man no. Ensem twerefo o mo kasa ma yetie bi no. Omo nyina omo da no politician ena omo tuadi party ba ko achi ena omo boya bro Captain Smart na di baabi die nim kura na Captain Smart abeka Captain Smart etutu mfutragu timamufu ani ene eja no wo no no aba abeka no kure mumientie Captain Smart anu mu nsema wa abeka mumientie
Babusumi watwe apart from say dollar call from by 10 cities so say 1044 no what next John, I am telling you today, Mupa Munjidi, Mupa Munyahe, present a beer ni Yasimha, or ye Juma Pa, the NDC bar power, and Jimmy.
He is smart. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Present a beer ni at all. Any baby any chroma Ghana, if you come in chroma time, basically, they actually 39 times in 2 years. Jimmy. because of NDC.
At all.
But me NDC.
Captain Smart.
And then people say no.
Kumasa.
Me no want to tell no waka krapa.
So be side chick.
The truth of the matter is that they me tell you from where me di piama wo no. And one na me that you from ho.
Kumasa. So be side chick.
Adwuma eni ho. NDC fo na nkasa ye mo party fo na. Wo mo no mo call na krana as a as a John Mahama omuafu 8 months pe. Obi be catch us 8 months no eswa because John Mahama ma yet ase 2012 from January to August. Says nye MPP na do ne ba me na de ne court boso me wotwe a ko betuma ye niama pa ba mu delay amembo nu boso me wotwe. What it means is that asamna John Mahama kan no wo translate no into a na. What it means is that boso me wotwe it mean the yard the papa.
Video ya mama hu say Captain Smart wodi ne yafunu nenam. Captain Smart okoba bia sika wo. Sa fe de captain wono aba beka. Hwe me say Igbo king sensem iba ya captain antumi ameka nam se ma we nani briska. Ma we ye disika to no. Ma we ye disika be gini panyini ma we. Respect ana ani di ani pa wo ma no no. Ni nyina asei. Adrum na bia wo say adwene se Ghana ni ye jansan kofo we ya chiridie no omomoa ye. Adrum na e wo say menu mienu ye te ase ne ye solid na se Ghana ni. Adrum na wo say menu mienu ye starting ya fight for your freedom. Politics is say o man no. O man Ghana nkwana ni mo ekonachi. Ade san nyina ni pa egu. Ade san nyina ni pa yira. Enso mpanyifo ti o man no makoma no atum esan se enka wo mo dan. Ade o man be ne abefiri mu. Sina me ka no. Brebre na utumi tu kwan. Brebre na utumi ko Dubai utumi bakata ibi aminua. Wutia di dim. Ene o man Ghana ye timpo no otika mu kura na yam hyehyew. Otika ma na wusuro seka no kura bebo ho amu wawu. Akra tukumase hwe nipa ewu.
Masa, come out for there. Come out. Make you guys come out. Chiraje mame, comment section. Aha, Penyah Block Media, Accra.